Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 Ford Escape. It's right behind me. Why don't we start right away up front. On the front end you do have factory fog lamps as well as the front parking sensors. They're a little bit hard to see. They're the little circles here on the bumper. Those keep you very safe in those close quarter situations. We'll definitely make sure that you know where you are at all times. Alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There is a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate controls and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.